Hey guys, today we're going to learn about how to protect the very important Tesla Model 3 screen. So what we want to do first is to go to the settings and to go to display, and right here there's a button called screen clean mode. So you press and hold it for a second and now it is dark. The ingredients that you will need to do this is Care Touch lens and screen cleaning wipes. It's good for cameras, screens, glasses, and smartphones. You will need Scotch tape. You will need the Tech Armor maximum screen protection. You can find it all at Amazon. There are links below. And you would need the cloth, the fiber cloth that you use for your glasses and for your screen. So the first thing you do is you take a pack. It comes with two, the clean wiper, and you open it up like so. Then you take one cleaner out. Okay, open it up like so, and you start cleaning nice and thorough. You see there are a lot of fingerprints. You should flip it around and really give it a nice wipe. Make sure that no fingerprints appear. And after you finish with one, you should take the cloth and wipe it off. Okay, nice and clean. I can see some schmutz here. Okay, nice and clean all around. And believe it or not, I know there are products that are sold to do what I'm going to do now. It's like the sticky things, but you can just take a piece of tape. Don't waste your money. Piece of tape like so. And if you see any dust, you just pick it like that. Okay, it's like nitpicking almost. Here's another dust. Here's another dust. Here's another dust. Right here. So it's nice and clean and shiny. So you finished with your first step. The second step is to open the packet. To open the packet like this, you open it. You take out the sheet. It comes protected with the plastic, and then you take it out from the plastic bag, and it does have a little green thingy, so it will go on like so. Okay, it will go on like so. So what you want to do is you peel it from right here. You peel it from here, nice and neat. You peel it. Okay, and it comes out like this, and okay, you straighten it out so all the bubbles go away. Press and hold, and the screen comes back. So now your screen is protected. All the functions function. Everything is smooth. Okay, and if you want to do this again, you go over here, you go to display, screen lock. It's locked. You can make sure that all the bubbles are nice and out. Eventually they will go away, and your screen is now protected from damages and protected from all kinds of harmful things that can damage your screen. Okay, that's it, guys.